Welcome to another episode on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT-controller running embedded Linux. Last time I found out that both motors and the camera work as long as the user interface, the graphical user interface, is set to the default interface and not the community. When that is set as such, then everything should work. So I have tried to make some pictures. I will continue to do so. One of the things is that I am still not very convinced that the front sensors actually work great now. I tested it last time and one of the sensors worked, the other one didn't, and they are now connected to digital input. Well, for the OpenCV, of course, what can I do with it? I can do a lot of things, but what is needed here? One of the things is course control, because the floor test has shown that it doesn't walk in a straight line. And having said that, let's see how it does run. So I'm starting program. And it comes back with an error, which is quite unusual. Well, not that unusual, but in this case it is. So let me on the fly fix it, hopefully. Okay, let me comment one line out for now and go and see if it wants to run. Connection aborted. And now it says camera connected, so I should get some. Yes, there it goes. And it stops. Go again. And in the meantime, taking a look at the oscilloscope. And the display flash. That is not what I like to see. Connected. Now, and this is not what I want to see, because now, as you could see, that only the fourth line, dark blue, showed a signal while it walked. So somehow something goes wrong. Alright, let's comment another line out. And run. Why does it take so long? Aborted once again. and it says that there is no picture taken, which is very strange because I'm running in the right environment. Now it works for a moment. Okay, I need to find out my code, but at least I know it works. So time to find out why code is not working. Some problems have occurred, and you heard me saying that I comment lines out. Well, those are these commands, or these lines, pixel and print pixel. So I'm very curious why those go wrong. Then also pick is none. Well, the pick is absolutely not none. Oh, connection is refused. I didn't see that one, so let me solve that one straight away. Alright, now I can do anything with that. So save the code, run again, and let's see whatever happens. While scanning string literal, that was one of the errors. But why is he doing that? Here I get a height, and here I get a height. Do I have NumPy? Yes, I certainly have NumPy. So this is not as it should be, obviously, and it has a problem with file name gray, file name anyway. Yeah, gray image is not defined. Well, it is defined here. Here image is red from file name, then gray image is being made, then a file name gray is being created, anyway you can read yourself how this is situated. With NumPy the height is being determined and the width is being determined, being printed, and then it says pixel. Well, there's no problem with pixel, there's a problem with this. So where does it go wrong anyway? Premature end, height is 250, this is all correct. Okay, let's run it again, but now I want to say just print pick done, so I don't get the whole stuff here. This is a lot better. Yeah. Let's run it again. Again, string literal. Why? What is going on here? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong problem. I am looking at the wrong problem, a very wrong one. Here I have a double quote, and here I have a single quote. Alright, this is better. Details, details. Network error. Getting timeout. Getting new frame from camera. Why? There I am. Password. Well, one thing is done. This is anyway correct, so it has an image. And I'm going to file name, so that's good. That's correct too. Let's see how this works. Yes, it is the same file name, 57 and 57. So let's see what image that is. No, I'm using the wrong. This is of course correct, but I need this one, which is what I expect. So that is good. The correct image is being taken. Now, why is this? Here it goes wrong. Right, let's find out. And once again, the devil is in the details. The round brackets should be square brackets. So let's try again. See whatever comes along. Abort that. Second start should be alright. There we go. Yes, and alright. Well, I have some results at least. 7, 16 and 23. 26, so that is good, but how is gray image not defined? How is this going? I am writing gray image. .png. So I need to call it here. It is going the same way. Probably I need to, oh yeah, not defined, but it is a file name, so I probably should do it this way. It's an exact file name. Alright, going on, another test. This one will probably fail. Yes, this one will probably work, hopefully. That's better. And there it goes. And in the meantime, this has happened. So it has pushed away. Well, the camera is still pointed at the oscilloscope, but that's all. It has pushed it away completely. So it also means that the front sensor indeed doesn't work. Ouch. Let's first see. Yeah, right. That one. I just noticed some final pulses from the motors, but I'm worried about this. It works, but it doesn't get caught. Why? Well, one of the counters is gone out of the socket. That's for one thing. But the motors should be doing alright. So that's no good. And I had to push this one further in socket. So things are not exactly as expected. Let's display some. And what I had done is 57, so now I'm going to this one. Oh, that's another list function, the ls-l. I need display. This is image magic, and then I need to know a gray image. Yes, JPG and PNG. Alright, so which one to take? Which one is newer? The PNG is, oh, that's a nice one. What is that result? PNG is today's image, is this one. And this one is from the other project, the Discovery. So that is nice, and I rather have PNG than JPG, because PNG saves all data and JPG is lossy. It throws away anything that is regarded useless. So that may be a nice thing to do a PNG instead of a JPG. Yes, very good. Anyway, this works, except for the front sensors. So I have to pay attention to that. So the big question is now, or actually more than one question. The front sensors are not being detected, and these three probes are not being shown either. So why is that all? This is the wire to where? Here. So this is connected. Rather long wire, but a wire anyway. This one is going here, is connected. This one is clearly connected. Then this is the upper on the oscilloscope the top line. This is the line directly under it, which is also connected nicely. This one has come off, so I need to change that, and I will do so like this. So now there's a gap, and I hope that is sufficient. So let's turn it around. And gently put it in. Alright. And the last one just did work. So with that all, let's put the camera to the oscilloscope and see what the difference it makes, if it makes a difference. Start. What will happen? If anything. Alright, first attempt, as usual, ends in error. Second one. Oh. Now I do hear something. I do see something here, so that's alright. Maybe I can change the time base. Alright, different then. So here it is very clear. Alright, here it gets a signal, and here it gets some. But the big question is, why are those signals not really high and showing a clear pulse modulated signal? This one doesn't seemingly show anything. So if I take the probe off, there's no difference at all. And now it should see something, but it doesn't. And what about the height of the signal? Nope, nothing at all. So unfortunately that's not the solution either. So whatever happens, I don't know, but this leads to nothing for now. I know it works, I know it walks, but signaling apparently not. So that brings me to, do the front sensors work? That's another matter. So, time to focus on these two. Well, the last part of this episode. Let's forget about these images. All nice and done. Right, nice to know about PNG, very well possible. But now the front sensors. Why are they not being detected? Unfortunately, it is not possible for me to run the ROBOPro at least I need a correction, it wasn't possible last time. So maybe now, who knows. This is the correct one. It does connect. Oh wow, I didn't expect this to happen. Alright, so ROBOPro works. That simplifies a lot. Now I am touching one of the tests. Well, there's nothing wrong with this one. And there's nothing wrong with this one. And look at this. This says 0. And that is counter 1. So if I let's see, that is M1 and M2, so these two, if I just run it, no matter which way, what will happen? Alright, so yeah, that is, yeah, alright, that's the other, that's the other one. Now I should take this one. And it holds now. Question is what? Okay, there it goes. So and on the image, yeah, let me show the image for a moment. There's one. Well, how does this, how can this be explained? Also, I got a nice signal here for a moment. So, this works obviously, but no signal. So let's run both. So what's the matter with this? They all run and we have no signal. Alright, let's maximize it. Nope. So it does work, but anyway, this works and that was what I was testing. Nice to know. Very good. So this is explainable by timing, poor timing, that whenever it is being sensed, it is not being pressed at that moment. So it works. Then the imaging, well, these are the images that I've taken, and I'm quite sure that the grey images are not showing anything. So graying them out and making a gray image is leading to nowhere. But if I gray them using OBCV and then save it, it's great. And that well, is the end of this episode. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a comment, like it, give thumbs up, follow me on Twitter, retweet and like, follow me on Instagram and like, leave a comment. Always appreciated. And please donate to keep videos coming to you. More information at the start of this video. My website is listed under this video, and more information on my website. And this is going to be continued. Bye bye.